Fun Going Fast channel, and in today's video we're going to try this on this. I had a viewer commenter tell me that they've actually had a lot of luck using motor oil to bring back the life on plastics, and these plastics are pretty terrible. They're completely faded from the sun. They've got a lot of scratches and the old white streaking that Yamaha loves to do. So let's see if this oil that you probably hopefully got a clean quart laying around, what it does. Here's the side that's untreated. It's obviously, we'll see how it feels after it dries. It's shinier compared to the other side. So here's the after. This is after about 3 days of application. It's dried. It's not really any residue left. Here's the fender that has nothing applied on it. It's what the other one looked like. And here's what it looks like now. Definitely an improvement from one to the other. It certainly doesn't look brand new. The further away you get, the better it looks. It's definitely brought a shine to it that's kind of hanging around. And it's not that bad. It's still, obviously it didn't take the scratches off or the dirt, but it certainly brought back some color to it, and it looks a lot better than it did before. So if you've got a quart of oil laying around and you're kind of not really worried about putting too much money into it, and you got an older quad, then maybe worth giving a shot. Thanks for watching.